my channel. Today we're gonna go hiking, and I'm gonna go alone because all my friends are busy doing work and I'm off work for a while. So first thing you need is bear spray because there are bears around here. I love that. I'm actually gonna keep this in the holster because I gotta be ready at all times to get the bears. That's cool. Safety first, knowing how that works. I'm gonna fill this with water, and I think I'm gonna get sunscreen because I don't want to burn. Burning is not an option. I do have on a nice long sleeve white t-shirt to keep me cool. Do my new shoes. Are you gonna fuck up my audio on my video?
Yeah.
I wonder where it is because I actually need it. I need to find my sunscreen, but my room's a fucking mess because I did laundry last night. Things are going well for me today. You just always fuck my freaking camera. Oh my god. This thing sunscreen is not gonna do it for me. It's pink and I'm yellow. Like, that's not really gonna work out for me well. Maybe if I put like with some lotion, like it's just so thick. Jesus fucking Christ. Stop!
Look at that moisture.
It's not moist. It's fucking gross because it's pinting. It's making my skin pink.
Tell me how you feel about that.
I don't like it. I don't feel good about it. We're still just gonna work it in. I like how you just didn't put it the same way it was. Thank you so much. You're so great.
I got you.
Yeah.
It's got a wide angle lens. It should be able to capture it.
It's on linear right now.
Wow, you played yourself.
No, you played me. Anyway, it's not like I'm doing this for fashion. I have no one to go with, so I'm doing it for myself, you know? Hashtag independent. Just fucking, oh man. Anyway, let's get hiking, guys. Okay, so I finally made it to the beginning of the trail. Let's get it. Mountains. I also now understand the whole hip strap thing because this puts a lot of weight on your shoulders, but now the weight is on like my hips and like I feel it. I feel stronger now. Oh my god. And that is Fernie Alpine Resort. The mountains, the bowls, the hills. You already know. So right now I'm a little bit confused because this map is telling me, oh my god, can you even see that? You can't. Can you see it now? You can't. Okay, you can't see it. But I think I have to go this way. But I'm not even sure if this is right. Because I just came from that way. But I hopefully won't get lost. But I think it's that way and then I go up the first left. Then that means that map that I saw was wrong. But now I just don't know. So we're just gonna go down this way and we're gonna see what happens. This is definitely a bike path and I hope no bikes come kill me, but also at the same time bears. But also we're at pretty low down, so they probably realize humans were out and they're probably like sleeping right now. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. So I'm finally on the actual trail, finally on the Roots Trail, and we're making it. Okay, so I know where I need to go, where I am and where I need to go. So I just have to keep going straight and then talk a little loudly for the birds. So I'm currently at 1,684 meters high, and I feel it's just so beautiful. How beautiful this is. I already met some bikers shredding it up here. I don't think I would be able to do this on a bike. Like, the trail is just so tiny. And that's just a no for me. Hiking is my thing. I'm really happy I got these shoes. They're really nice and grippy on the bottom. And I really like that. Especially on these tiny trails that are slanted and are very, very, like, precipice-like. I'm used to that because I'm from the island. But when you just keep going and it's still very precipice-like, you're just like, damn. I love that. Starting to rain. It's starting to rain, so I think I need to like head back down. It told me it wasn't gonna rain today, but this view. So I'm gonna head back now because it's starting to rain and I don't want to be rained on. But thanks for coming with me. I will make it up to the top one day, hopefully when it's not raining, and hopefully when my friends come with me, because so I changed my mind. I'm gonna keep going. Oh my god. It's just so beautiful. Okay, I'm happy I kept going. I don't really know where I'm going, but we'll figure it out, right? But it's just so beautiful. Oh my god. So, major plot twist. I've been here already. Like, literally, like in the fall though. But it's also gonna actually rain. Love that. But it's so beautiful up here. This is like the back of Fernie, kind of. I don't even know where I am right now. But mountain. I was supposed to reach up there, but there's that. Anyway, thanks for coming with me. I will go to Castle Mountain, I promise. It's just, it is what it is. that I made it to this, guys. And it's so nice to actually be able to make it. I love it. Now I'm gonna go back home, have dinner, try to get down as fast as the rain can get me. Currently on a little bit of a lunch break, but I wanted to stop, but I just don't want the rain to catch me. I have a jacket with me, but it's not 100% waterproof, so I'm not really trying to lose my life today. You know, bagel and guava jelly sandwich. Gotta get in those carbs to fuel my body to go down this. Hiking seems hard. It is hard, don't get me wrong. But I feel like sometimes it seems harder than it actually is. In a good way. Because like, right now, you know, my quads are really working. My feet are really working. And I'm really feeling it in my body. That like, you know, I'm really pushing myself. But down is so much easier than up. I mean, up is always hard. Going down is easy. I kind of did choose the wrong trail, but we're here now, so what are we gonna do about it? But I'm on my way down. It's the train! Hey-o! More outside vlogs coming soon. Watch out.